Year 6, guten Tag, hello. Lesson 7. So carrying on with what we did yesterday, but a little bit more challenging. Okay, so my request for you guys today is to use as little ink or lead as you can, all right? Use your mental math skills as much as you can. Now, I want you to get the right answers. So if you need to write stuff down, work stuff out, then please do so. But if you've got the confidence to work them out mentally, then do it that way, please. So I'm going to run through this example, and then you guys can have a go working stuff out yourselves. So you can see in the purple, I've given you prices of oranges, lemons, and limes. I've asked you how much will 2 oranges, 2 lemons, and 2 limes cost. So this is the bit, if you're comfortable, I want you to do it in your head. So my 2 oranges, I'm going to double 35p, and I'm going to get 70p. My 2 lemons, I'm going to double 27, and I'm going to get 54p. Now, if you were struggling to double 27, and you needed to write it out twice, oh, sorry about that. If you needed to write it out twice and do that, then fine, because I want you to get the right answer. But like I said, if you can do it in your head, even better. And the last one, okay, 2 limes, I'm going to do it in my head. I'm going to double it. I'm going to get 36p. So how much do those cost? Again, if I have to do it like that as a column addition, then fine. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to look for number bonds, and I'm going to look for additions that help me get the right answer. So I'm going to add 54, and I'm going to add the 30 on first, okay, to get up to 84p. And then I'm going to add the 6p on to get to 90p. So I added those 2 numbers to get 90p. Now I'm going to add the 90p and the 70p together in my head, which means I get £1.60. Okay, so there's loads of different ways of mentally adding numbers. Whichever method you feel most comfortable with, use it, provided you get the right answer. Okay, so like I said, if you've got to do column additions, multiplications to get the right answer, that's fine. But have a bit of confidence, all right? Let's use our mental math skills. So these are the prices over here, okay? Oranges, lemons, limes, mangoes, bananas, and cherries. And then I've given you these 5 problems. So let's have a look at this first one together. I've got 3 lemons. Okay, so lemons cost me 27p. So if I wanted, I could do that. And then 2 cherries are 65p times 2. Or I could double it by writing it like that. Okay, so in my head, however, I'm going to say 27 times 3. So in my head, I'm going to take 3 lots of 20p, which is 60p, 3 lots of 7p, which is 21p, and I'm going to add those together to get 81p. I'm going to double 65p in my head to get £1.30. Okay, I'm comfortable adding those 2 numbers in my head. If you're not comfortable, then for the last bit, turn it into an addition like that. Okay? I don't mind, provided you get the right answer and provided you're not just using your pencil or your pen just for the sake of it. Okay? So these are going to take a bit of time. So what I want you to do now is pause the screen, work them out, and then press play when you want to go through the answers. All right, great. So like I said, they were challenging, but I am trying to push you, okay? I'm not asking you to do anything that I don't think you're capable of. So if we go through down to the answers now, these were all of the answers, okay? So A was £2.11p, B was £3.33, C was £5.30, D was £2.61, and then the last one, E, was £9.09p. Now, if we look at, which one should we look at? Okay, let's look at the last one, 9 mangoes and 1 lime. So I know that a mango cost me 99p. And what's a lime? 18p. Okay. Now, how many mangoes? 9 mangoes. So that, in my head, 99 multiplied by 9 is really hard. Okay, but those of you who successfully worked out the answer probably said, well, 99p is really close to £1. Okay, so 9 lots of £1 is £9. and I added on 1p to each of those mangoes. So I need to take away 9p, which means I get £8.91. And then all I need to do to that is add on 18p. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, there's lots of little hacks, which is one of the words that people seem to be using a lot at the moment. Hacks for working out the right answer. Okay, so well done if you got 3 out of the 5 right. Okay, if you got them all right, then you should be taking the lesson, not me, I think. So last thing I want you to do, and again, if you're comfortable doing this in your head, do so. If you need to use your pen and paper, then that's fine too. I want you to tell me how much change you get from each of your amounts here if you pay with a £10 note. So you need to count on from these numbers up all the way up to £10. Pause when you want to start, and then press play when you want to go through the answers. Okay, Brill, let's see if we can get 5 out of 5 for these, folks. So the first one, my change from that amount was £7.89. Next one, my change would have been £6.67. Next one, £4.70. Next one, £7.39. And then the last one was 91 pence, which could have been written either that way or that way. Really challenging today. All right. Well done for having a go. You promise you, right? If you struggle with that, you are going to get much, much better over the coming days. I promise you. Okay. Well done for having a go. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Lesson 8. Auf Wiedersehen.